Hello children, good afternoon. So today our topic is about finding the base, rate, and percentage. Before that, let us first review the meaning of these three. So last time, I told you that the base or B is the number representing the whole. It's actually the totality. It usually comes after the word of. Next, rate or R is the ratio of a number to 100. It is followed by the percent sign. Sometimes, it can be represented using fraction or decimal. Lastly, percentage or P is a part of the base. It's actually just a portion. It comes before or after the word is. Now, to find the value of the base, rate, or percentage, we can actually use this Tekans triangle. Now, Tekans triangle is divided into three parts. The upper part is where you can find the percentage or P. And then at the bottom part is where you can find the rate and the base. Now, P is placed at the top because it means that you can divide the percentage by the rate. And also, you can divide percentage by the base. Now, rate and base are placed side by side because we can multiply the two of them. Moving on, let's have this problem first. Find the value of 35% of 50. Now, to solve this, first we have to identify what are we looking for. Are we looking for the base, the rate, or the percentage? So first, let us identify the three of them. Base is actually 50. So you can see it comes after the word of. Now, can you tell me what is the rate? If you said 35%, then you are correct because it has the percent sign. Since P is missing, that's what we are looking for. Now, using the Tekans triangle, simply cover the part where percentage is located. There. So what remain are rate and base. So meaning, to get the percentage, we simply have to multiply the rate and the base. So 50 times 35%. So since we cannot solve with the percent sign unless you're using calculator, we have to change 35% to decimal. Simply move your decimal point 2 places to the left and then remove your percent sign. Or you can actually change this to fraction form. It's up to you. So here I changed it to decimal form. So 50 times 3500 will give us 17 and 5 tenths. So 35% of 50 is actually 17 and 5 tenths. Moving on. What percent of 6 meters is 3 meters? Okay. So again, we have to know what are we looking for. Are we looking for the base, the rate, or the percentage? So, what is 6 meters? Is it base, is it rate, or is it percentage? If you said base, you are correct. Because, see, it comes after the word of. And 6 meters is actually the whole. It's the totality. Okay. And then, is there any rate here? No, we are looking for the rate because 3 meters is actually the percentage. Again, using the Tekans triangle, this time we are looking for the rate. So, we can just cover our rate, which will give us the formula. So, rate is equal to percentage divided by the base. Substituting the value of percentage and base, we just have to perform the operation. So 3 divided by 6 will give us 5/10. Now, if you want to give your answer in percent form, simply move your decimal point 2 places to the right and then add your percent symbol. In this case, if you move your decimal point 2 places to the right, you will have this blank space. Now, you simply just have to add 0. Then add your percent sign. Voila! So, our answer is 50%, meaning 3 meters is actually 50% of 6 meters. Now, the third example, 20% of a number is 16. So, what is the number? Again, let us identify which is missing. Are we looking for the base, or are we looking for the rate, or are we looking for the percentage? Okay, since the 20% is at the beginning, let us identify this first. Is this the rate, the base, or the percentage? If you answered rate, therefore you are correct. It has this percent sign, which is already a giveaway. And then, there, 16 is your percentage. It comes after the word is. And so, we're looking for the base. Using the triangle again, we simply have to cover the base part. And what remain are percentage and rate. Percentage is at the top, meaning we can divide percentage by the rate. Therefore, the formula that we can use is base is equal to percentage divided by the rate. Substituting the value of the percentage and rate, there, I already changed my 20% to decimal form. I just have to perform the division process. There, our answer is already 80. So, 20% of 80 is 16. Very easy, right? Now remember, we can use Tekan's triangle to find the value of the base, rate, or percentage. Now the following here are the formula. So base is equal to percentage divided by rate. Now to find the rate, simply divide percentage by the base. And then to find the percentage, we just multiply the rate and the base. So, if you have questions, kids, simply message me or send me a message or text message or call me, okay? Goodbye!